The Fujifilm X-Pro series has always stood in a slightly different category compared to most modern mirrorless camera systems. While many brands focus heavily on pushing specifications such as autofocus speed, video resolution, or continuous shooting performance, the X-Pro line has consistently followed a more restrained and experience-driven approach. It is designed not just as a tool for image capture, but as a way of engaging with photography itself. Because of this unique identity, the rumored successor, commonly referred to as the Fujifilm X-Pro4, has become one of the most anticipated yet least officially discussed cameras in recent years. Even without confirmation from Fujifilm, it is already being treated as a potentially important evolution in the company's APS-C lineup. The significance of the Fujifilm X-Pro4 becomes clearer when revisiting the history of the series. The original X-Pro1, introduced in 2012, arrived at a time when Fujifilm was still defining its role in the modern interchangeable lens camera market. Canon and Nikon dominated the DSLR space, while Sony was beginning to establish momentum in mirrorless systems. Fujifilm's position was uncertain, and the X-Pro1 marked a turning point. It introduced the company's X-Trans sensor technology, which removed the conventional optical low-pass filter and used a different color filter arrangement to improve detail rendering and color reproduction. More importantly, it represented Fujifilm's commitment to a new direction in mirrorless photography, forming the foundation of the entire X-series ecosystem that followed. Beyond its technical innovations, the X-Pro1 also established a distinctive shooting philosophy. Its design was inspired by traditional rangefinder cameras, with a strong emphasis on tactile control and intuitive handling. Instead of prioritizing complexity or automation, it encouraged photographers to slow down and approach image making with more intention. This combination of modern digital performance and analog-inspired usability helped Fujifilm carve out a unique identity in a highly competitive market. Over time, this identity became one of the brand's defining strengths. The X-Pro2 continued this direction in 2016, refining autofocus performance, improving resolution, and enhancing overall responsiveness. It did not dramatically change the core concept, but it strengthened the system and addressed many practical limitations of the first generation. The X-Pro3, released in 2019, took a more experimental approach. It introduced a controversial rear screen design that concealed the display by default, encouraging photographers to focus more on the act of shooting rather than immediate image review. While some users appreciated this philosophy, others found it impractical for everyday use. Still, it reinforced the X-Pro series as a line willing to prioritize creative intent over convenience. Since then, however, the series has remained unusually quiet. Based on typical product cycles, a successor was expected several years ago, yet no official replacement has been announced. This extended gap has led to widespread speculation. Some believe Fujifilm is intentionally taking more time to deliver a more substantial generational upgrade rather than a simple iterative update. Others suggest that naming conventions or internal design decisions may be influencing the delay. Regardless of the reason, there is a strong expectation that the series is still in active development, as the X-Pro line remains too important to the brand's identity to be discontinued. One of the most widely discussed possibilities for the Fujifilm X-Pro4 is a major sensor upgrade. Many rumors point toward the inclusion of a 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, which is already used in other recent Fujifilm models. If implemented, this would represent a significant leap from the 26 megapixel sensor found in the previous generation. The increase in resolution would bring noticeable benefits in detail capture, cropping flexibility, and overall image versatility. For genres closely associated with the X-Pro system such as street, documentary, and travel photography, this added resolution could provide more freedom in post-production while still maintaining the compact, discreet nature of the camera. Alongside improvements in sensor technology, the Fujifilm X-Pro4 is also expected to feature the latest X processor 5. This upgrade would significantly enhance overall performance, including faster autofocus calculations, improved subject recognition, and more responsive operation in both single-shot and continuous shooting modes. Modern AI-assisted autofocus systems capable of detecting eyes, faces, animals, and moving subjects are expected to become more accurate and reliable. In practical use, this would help the camera perform better in unpredictable environments while still maintaining the deliberate shooting style that defines the X-Pro experience. Another major rumored addition is in-body image stabilization. If included, this feature would mark one of the most practical upgrades in the series' history. Stabilization would allow photographers to shoot handheld at slower shutter speeds with greater confidence, especially in low light conditions. This would be particularly valuable for users who prefer compact prime lenses and lightweight setups. Importantly, it would enhance usability without fundamentally changing the character of the camera, preserving its core philosophy while expanding its real-world flexibility. The rear display design of the previous generation remains a point of debate. The X-Pro4 introduced a hidden screen that emphasized a more immersive and intentional shooting experience, but it also created practical limitations for everyday use. Because of this, many expectations suggest that the Fujifilm X-Pro may return to a more conventional solution, such as a fixed or tilting rear screen. This would improve usability for menu navigation, image review, and hybrid workflows while still maintaining the clean and minimalist design language associated with the series. In the broader context of Fujifilm's lineup, the X-Pro4 represents more than just another APS-C camera. It continues a lineage that played a critical role in defining the company's success in the digital era. From the foundational X-Pro1 to the experimental X-Pro3, the series has consistently challenged conventional expectations of what a camera should prioritize. If the rumored improvements become reality, the next generation could emerge as the most capable and well-rounded version of the system to date, while still preserving the unique identity that has always set the X-Pro line apart from its competitors.